Here we are, graduation day. Give it a spin. This lady has done magnificent work all week. Right there, stop. Right there. How hard was this to do?
After learning this week, it was relatively easy in the grand scheme of things, just learning the techniques. So we just put those into place. And
Have you done flowers before you got here?
I've never done flowers before I got here.
So you were designing for 6 days now.
Yes.
This is her masterpiece. I think it's just, you gotta see it in real life. It's even more beautiful. I said some flowers photograph really well, others don't. American School of Flower Design. What was the most surprising thing you learned this week?
Most surprising thing I learned is that I can create more than I ever thought possible.
Yeah,
Just with
she
the
said that before.
foundations. Yes.
It's just so pretty. It's like a little mixed English garden sitting in your table in full bloom. It's spectacular. Those roses, that's stock, hypericum berry, several kinds of eucalyptus, seeded eucalyptus on the bottom. She knew how to finish it off. Yeah, she's shocked at how good she did. I always freak out on Saturday, like I did a minute ago. I look at these things and say, people in the business for 10, 20 years don't do. Spin it again. This amount of pretty work. It's so good. I like the way she clustered the berries right there. Put in a little bit of this dusty gray eucalyptus right there. All in all, fantastic job. Congratulations.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome. Flowerschool101.com. Superb.